Welcome to Factory Polo and CJ Clothiers. Please like and subscribe to our channel, it helps us out tremendously. With that being said, let's talk ties. Men's ties come in every imaginable color, design, fabric, and cut. Even those of us who have worn ties for many years often find it difficult to make that decision when choosing the right tie. There are different kinds of ties out there that are just not suited for everyone's style. Choose the right tie which will complement your entire outfit from business to business casual. For that classic look, always choose a tie that's a darker color than your shirt. You can never go wrong. And as always, style is everything. Find yours.